Wait, I have a good news for you. If you're watching this video, then I would advise you to take a few minutes. Now, we are about to start this training. That is how to design this amazing website. First, let me refresh the page. I just want to show you around first before we can proceed. Now, look around. Let's check. You see, look at how I really love this website. And this is, that is projects work page or portfolio. Just to show you recent projects. And let's go down my team members and then latest posts and the call to action at the footer. I can click here and go to the top. Let's go to about page. We have this about page, and that is here. You can learn more about us. Simple as that. Let's go to the top again. I will only take you to services page. Let me show you something here. Something that you have not seen it anywhere before. Now, this is services page. You can read more. After that, you can just go through some of our services. For as you can see, everything here is just a simple one. In case you want to learn more about web design, you can just click here, read more, and you will see this pop up where you can read more about web design. Okay, you can read more. Okay, I hope you can see that. I can just click here to close that. And good. The same thing apply to other pages. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. So all that I'm trying to say is I'm about to launch this tutorial, but are you interested to learn how to design this amazing website? I know you have the answer. If your answer is yes, then join me here on YouTube. Just go to YouTube. youtube.com/@aradar.tv. So the link is below this video. Then you click enter. Okay, good. So here, that is my page. Okay, you see here, you will see because I've already subscribed to this channel. That's why I can see subscribed, which I have done it already. Okay, so just come here and click on this. Okay, after that, then make sure you go down here and click here to activate the notification. This will help you so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get access. So kindly subscribe to this channel, and I have a lot for you. Now you can look through. I have a lot of videos here, so many of them. Okay, when you go to my playlist, I have a lot. Okay, how school websites, how to design school websites, school management website, and a lot here. Okay, so please subscribe and join me. I'm about to launch this video. If you are happy if you're happy about the upcoming training, then leave a comment. Okay, I would love it. You can also share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.